Folks, this is the original part 1 of our salad bowl fly killer. It's made out of a stainless steel salad bowl. We're going to make it work as a fly killer. We always start out at basics, then we improve it greatly.
A bowl.
But it's not, is it still a bowl? Because you drilled a hole in the bottom.
No, it's a salad bowl weed whacker. Odorless
I got it.
fly killer.
That was
You'll have to make a dent. Or you could use those little bitty fine ones that I have if you want to make a pre-dent. You missed him.
Did it make a hole?
Yep. He's the best hole maker I know. He makes them round sometimes. He is noisy though. Hopefully it's the right size.
How do you put the wire through it first? Oh, sorry. First hand it to go through the hole.
Is that wood?
Fall out? Stainless.
He likes stainless.
I forget what comes first.
It is a salad bowl, weed whacker,
Remember, the regret comes last.
odorous, bug killer, fly killer. We make the little slash. You've seen those slashes, haven't you?
Well, if
You've
you
seen
didn't,
slasher movies.
if you didn't want it to kill other bugs, you could just put a sticker on the side of it. You know, it said it's for flies
A
only.
lot of them are not real sharp and they don't read the sign.
Really?
I've had that trouble. You'll get dumb flies every once in a while.
I've noticed, is that like those deer crossing signs? They put those up at the most.
They put them in heavy
inconvenient
traffic areas.
places. I know.
They do, and that's dangerous. They need to put them in park areas
Yeah.
where the deer can cross peacefully
Safely,
across. And they just stick them
They'll
out in the
put it
middle
out
of
there on the
traffic.
highway.
There, people hit them deer. A lot of people thought it was just where they'd hit a deer and they put up a marker.
Oh, wait.
He laughed at my joke. He laughed at my joke.
It's almost like just one person's doing all the work.
No, it's us because without multiple supervision, there's
How
no
would this
telling
have
you.
gotten made?
He wouldn't know how to do it. And the project is called, you've forgotten already. He
Odorless salad bowl.
No.
I've had one of those.
Salad bowl.
I've had one of
That's
those.
what I
I've
had.
had an odorless salad bowl before.
If there's stuff crawling in your salad bowl at a restaurant, this is not anything to do with what we're making today.
We'll do it ugly first, make sure it works. Do with wire nuts, then I'll do pretty butt ends and all that. Let's make sure it works.
I've always said he's a wire nut. You know what?
I don't know what he's talking about.
You know what we could call him?
What?
Lug nut.
A lug nut?
I think that's been used though. He stole my name. My name's Lug Nut.
So it's good to leave a little bit of that. We're all wired outside.
You're not getting too tired, are you, Phil, watching this?
I'm barely tired at all watching him do this. You could just take that one to the salad bowl. That'd kill him too, right?
Okay. Now show him it goes upside down. Now that's what it looks like. Now you got to put the odorous holes in the odorous thing there. Where's the odorous hole maker?
It's over there on your tool.
This is an odorous hole maker.
A lot of people just call it a soldering iron.
No. You got to get it right. You can't just go partially telling people what's
That's it. Well, if somebody was wanting to build these, where would they find an odorous hole puncher?
Almost everything Harbor Freight.
Let's go to Harbor Freight.
No bowing. No bowing.
Sides or in the bottom?
No.
I don't know.
On the sides.
Okay.
And we want it not right at the bottom because it'll be liquid. So you want it toward where it'll smell.
Kind of toward the top. wire, it's okay. Where there's smoke, there's a wire.
Okay, push it down and then you put the lid on it and make sure everything's tightened. And then you put that CD glue on all the nuts or it will vibrate off.
Thought we'd just do a test first. Okay, who's gonna be the fly?
All right. Okay.
Yeah, I can't hold it like that.
Now,
That's the craziest hat I've ever seen.
all right. These are called chains right here in a lot of places.
We're replacing the strings with that.
And what we need is on the edge, we need 3 holes.
Oh,
Put the chains, that goes at the top.
that means more drilling. Stainless steel.
We use both hands. Y'all had never seen one of these built before, have you?
I get to see its whole salad bowl. I still don't understand how you're gonna eat salad out of
Very carefully.
it.
You eat salad out of
Quickly.
that very carefully.
It's all about timing.
Take tiny bites, right?
Be like a ninja. Get in there before the.
Well, they said you could eat insects, so this is a new trial for that, maybe not. You have the bowl and everything. Oh, what a good idea. That looks good. All right. That is, say it over, salad bowl, weed whacker, odorous, bug killer, fly killer. Got it? All right.
Got it.
Just look at it and see which one's bigger. You could put a sharp knife there. Yeah, just do
I don't
that.
think it would hurt it if it's a little shorter.
It's
right?
still gonna kill them. Well,
I would say, if anything, it'll self-clearance eventually.
they're gonna, the flies will get in them. It's just that they might miss one fly, you know?
No, it must get all.
You must see the scariest thing.
What do you think? You believe it would work?
What will work? There we go. Maybe I'm off center.